So the latest rumors, we know that Triumph has their new team coming. They're supposed to be racing in 2024. They've supposedly made passes at Swole and Moseman to ride their new 250F. Why they're doing a 250F first, we don't know. Why they still haven't shown us this bike when they're supposed to line up and race it in 6 months is annoying and infuriating. Why they require the vaccines for all their employees and all that is infuriating. But anyway, Triumph aside, the latest news is Ducati has apparently got their eye on Cooper Webb for their new bike. Now, we've heard these Ducati rumors for years. We've seen the renderings. Half the time we thought it was a joke. We don't know what's up. But apparently, from these industry insiders are saying that they're hearing this is actually going to happen. Ducati's going to have a 450 first, and they're looking at Cooper Webb to maybe run this bike in AMA Supercross and World Supercross and possibly MXGP as well. So that'd be cool. He'd be a good guy to do it because he is he's getting towards the end of his career, but he has so much experience. He's rode several brands. He'd be good for testing, and they can probably get him for a pretty good deal. And even though there's been rumors of him going to Star Yamaha if Tomac retires, it's pretty safe to assume that he probably doesn't have a deal yet. Because if he did have a deal, my guess is he would be sitting out this outdoors this year. I think he's riding outdoors on a KTM because he's got a little more to prove and he wants to do good and make sure he inks a deal for next year. So either way, it's pretty cool. I can't wait to have 2 more teams. Well, if you count Beta, we'll have 3 more teams in motocross and supercross. It's going to be exciting.